Now let's imagine this. You have an office meeting at 10 a.m. in the morning where you have to present to your customer. It's 9:30 a.m. in your watch and you can see you are stuck in a terrible traffic and running late for that meeting. So how are you feeling right now? So your brain immediately get into the stress mode, start releasing cortisol, and you know what? Your gut also feels the same too. You suddenly see that your digestion level has slowed down that day, you're feeling discomfort, probably you're getting sometime abdominal pain, diarrhea or constipation. Now why it happened? To know the reason behind it, we have to understand the gut-brain axis. So what is gut-brain axis? So the gut-brain axis is a bidirectional communication between our central nervous system of the brain and the enteric nervous system of our gut. The connection is facilitated by the vagus nerve and various neurotransmitters and the hormones. Now let's understand how stress impacts our gut functions. Number one, alteration of the gut mobility. Stress, especially the chronic stress, alter the mobility of our GI tract. It can lead to the spasm and also the speed at which the food moves through the digestive system. And this sometimes results into the diarrhea and constipation issues. Number two, changes in gut permeability. Stress can increase the gut permeability, often known as leaky gut. It allows the substances which are not supposed to cross the gut lining, such as undigested food particles, toxins, to get into the bloodstream. And this eventually leads to the immune response or inflammation, which leads to the several digestive issues. Number three, altered gut biota. Stress can influence the composition of the gut microbiota, leading to imbalances which we call dysbiosis. In such cases, your good bacteria decreases in your gut and bad bacteria increases, leading to several digestive problems. Now let's understand how unhealthy gut can also impact our stress gland. Number one, serotonin production. Gut produces significant amount of serotonin, which is a neurotransmitter, regulates our mood. An unhealthy gut can disrupt the serotonin production, causing different mood disorders, mood swings, and several other stress conditions. Number two, inflammation. Inflammation in the gut can trigger the systematic inflammatory response, affecting our mood and also our cognitive functions. Number three, hormone changes. Gut can influence the release of stress hormone called cortisol. An unhealthy gut can lead to abnormal cortisol levels, contributing to different stress and anxiety. What are the common gut disorders related to stress? Number one, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Number two, IBD, inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's diseases, colitis, and etc. Number three, functional dyspepsia, where we see constant upper abdominal pain or discomfort. So now you can understand how stress and gut are so closely related that can impact each other. So to have a healthy gut, we have to learn how to manage our stress really well. So in my upcoming videos, I'll be talking about how to manage stress and how to keep our gut health healthy too, so that we can have a healthy body and happy mind. So do share this information to your near and dear ones, your friends and family, and see you all in my next video.